So now let's see how we can actually go around and work around with multi-selection widget inside of Jotform. So to do that, let me just go ahead and add in an element, and then under widget, I'm going to go ahead and select multiple selection right here. So now with this widget, what happens is that you can go ahead and add in multiple options, and the users will be able to go ahead and select multiple options from it. So for example, I can go ahead and say something like select your hobbies right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say football, basketball right here, and I'm going to say singing right here, dancing right here, video games right here, traveling, let's say for example, and I'm going to go around and say, let's say for example, skating, others, let's say for example right here. So you can go ahead and select these out. So this is the placeholder. It says select items, so I'm simply going to go around and say select hobbies right here, just like this. And you can even disable the multiple selections if you want to, but using this widget means you're supposed to go ahead and not disable the multiple selection. You can even add in a custom CSS if you want to right here. Now let me just go ahead and update this out right here, and I'm simply going to say select your hobbies right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, I can go around onto properties, and now I can center align the hobbies out, right align it or left align it as I want, and I can enable or disable the label as I want as well, and change around the label alignment of the hobbies to left, right, and so forth as I need as well. So this is what you have, and you can go ahead and change around the width of the let's say for example the widget as well, and change around the height as you want as well, just like this, and you can make it required or not as you want. You can go to advanced, and then you can shrink this out as with any other let's say for example fields. You can move it to the new line when you're shrinking as well, and so forth. Let's say for example, if I were to duplicate it right here, I can move this to new line if I don't want. And I can hide this particular field as well and see the field detail in a code level as well. But let me just go ahead and delete this field right here, select out this particular widget right here, and then what I'm going to do is change around the shrink right here, and then apart from that, I can go ahead right here and then change around the label alignment as well. So basically this is it, and let me just go ahead and preview out the form right here, and this is what you have. It says select your hobby, so you can go ahead and select this out, and as you select out multiple right here, you can see that it simply goes ahead and gets into the placeholder right here, and then you can submit it out as you want. So that is simply how you can go ahead and work around with the multi-selection widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.